All right, Chevelle fans, look what we have here for you. It's the real deal, baby. 1970 Chevelle SS convertible. Yes, real deal. We actually have a partial build sheet to go along with it, and it's numbers matching LS5 454 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission, M22, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Bumper, headlights, surrounds, SS grille, of course. And best of all, original tuxedo black car, paint code of 19, red interior, 78.8 trim, so 788 trim. It's beautiful. Take a look at all the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see it top to bottom, inside and out. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style SS wheels, red line radials. Look great on this car. And yes, the paint looks as good in person as it does in the pictures in the video. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. It's black. You might find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, I have really not noticed many in this car at all. This thing pops. Want to take home some trophies at your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, this one will do it. Bucket seats, center console, and there's a shifter for that M22. Very cool radio too. It's actually an AM 8-track player. I did have the AM radio working in it. We're going to check out the convertible top here at the end of the video, and yep, it's Jason's lucky day. He's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Of course, dual exhaust from front to rear. Good looking parade boot, I guess I should say convertible top cover, not necessarily a parade boot, it's a soft one. Either way, it looks good on there. What a beautiful color combination. If you like these muscle cars, you like Chevelles, you like hot rods just in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And if you're looking for a true Chevelle SS 454 convertible with original engine and transmission, here you go. You're not going to come around a lot of these opportunities, no doubt about that. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. So the seat belt's still intact. Door panel looks good. Really no real wear on the interior. I think we should fire this up. Let's hear it run. Does have a tilt column. There, that big boy fires right up. 454 LS5, numbers matching. Again, AM 8-track. Of course, power top. Top of the dash looks good. We're gonna let this warm up a little bit here. Oh, listen to this. Sounds good, doesn't it? Sounds good, looks good. All right, let me pause this a second. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. We'll take a peek at the convertible top and how it works. And like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive, take it for a virtual ride. Underside of the hood. Also looks good. There it is. Original 454 engine in this car. Power steering, power brakes. It's one of those, get in it, turn the key and go. Just how you'd expect it to look underneath there. All right, let me get the tripod set up. Let's get this convertible top up. And convertible top up. So as you can see, power top works as it should. Black vinyl top. Appears to be practically new. Nice fit on the side glass. No rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window. Just a few wrinkles. Get it out in the sun. Let it heat up. Take the majority of those out. But hey, most of the time you're going to have it down if you're purchasing this car, I have a feeling. Side glass up on the passenger side, and again, nice tight fit above the windshield. No surprises on the top. I will show you it getting folded back down into the storage compartment. There it is, real deal, folks. 1970 Chevelle SS convertible. Numbers matching 454 and M22. Manual transmission. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving the beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Black glossy paint with a red interior. 4 on the floor, manual transmission. Very nice sound. Subdued sound, you might say. Coming out the back, but it rumbles. Very smooth shifting, very easy to push clutch, easy to shift. Nice chrome ball shaped shifter. Factory looking steering wheel. This car seems well restored. Our tachometer's working. At 55 miles an hour, we're doing 2,300 RPM. That is not bad on these gauges. The battery gauge is right in the middle. The clock right here is counting the seconds as it should. Temperature right around 190. The fuel gauge reads almost full. The wipers work and the blower motor also works on this car. Bright red interior, really eye-catching. I would say most of it has to be reupholstered. It is such a nice condition. Shift down to second gear for the traffic circle. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. You can hear that manual transmission, the way the old trans used to sound. A little bit of a whine lets you know it's a manual. Very smooth running car. Good acceleration. I was only getting up to 3,000 RPM there. You rev this up, you're really going to feel the power. This is a convertible, of course, and we have the top down today on this beautiful day. Take it for a cruise with the top down. You're going to love this 1970 Chevelle at UniqueClassicCars.com.